It's the holiday season, and I want to spread a little bit of holiday cheer. This is my favorite time of the year. But who doesn't want to save money during this time of the year? I know I do. That's why I want to give you 5 major holiday write-offs to make this season a little bit merrier and a little bit less taxing. Before we jump in, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe because I need a Christmas present too. So let's get after it. The very first holiday write-off is a holiday party. Who doesn't like a great holiday party where everybody's had a little bit too much to drink and they're just having a great time, great music, great food, great fun? The IRS doesn't, because entertainment is not a tax write-off. So how do we make our holiday festivities into a tax write-off? That means we are not having a holiday party. We're having a year-end marketing event to launch our next year. Everything that we have to do has to center around pursuit of income, making more money. Absolutely, you can wrap it up at holiday decor, but remember, your intent has to be a marketing event. Your intent has to be to get more clients. Your intent has to be in the pursuit of income. And oh, by the way, if you happen to have a little bit too much eggnog with a little bit too much rum in it, and there's some Christmas carols being sung, it's going to be all good because I love a holiday party. Number 2, charitable donations. I love being able to give back. And what a great time of the year to give back around the holidays. Whether you're giving away food, whether you're giving away clothing, this can either be a charitable donation that is going to be taken as a itemized deduction on your income tax return, or if you are a business owner, you can do it around like a marketing event. You can donate to an organization, wrap it all up in your brand, and write it off as a marketing event as opposed to a donation. But let's not forget the reason for the season. It doesn't matter what you do, but being able to give back to others is a great thing, and getting a tax deduction is what Uncle Sam says that we're entitled to do. So make sure that you keep track of your charitable donations. Number 3, travel costs. Some people love to travel for the holidays, but here's the thing, my friends. If you want to travel for the holidays and you want to have a little bit of vacation time mixed in with a business event or business travel, you have to remember that the primary intent for that travel was for business. You have to remember there has to be travel at the beginning of your trip for business and travel at the end of your trip for business. Because the key is making sure that if you had to go home in between, that cost would be so cost prohibitive that it makes sense for you to stay there during that time period and enjoy a little bit of that nice warm weather, whether you're choosing to travel to one of those warm states, Hawaii, California, or Florida, or whether you decide to stay home in one of your cold states. You can travel during the holidays and get a tax deduction as long as you're linking it to the pursuit of income, as long as it was ordinary and necessary for what it is that you are trying to do. Number 4, holiday decor. If you stop by my office during the holidays, you will know that we're in full holiday season. Everything from the harvest season of Thanksgiving all the way to the Christmas season. But anything that I purchase for decor inside of my office, I'm going to take a tax deduction for. Why? Because it's a talking point for my clients. It increases employee morale. Employee morale means more productivity. More productivity means more work is being done. More work being done means more income, more profits. Remember, the pursuit of income is what gives you a tax deduction. So the more, the merrier, I say. So anything that you're thinking about going out and buying to decorate your office for the holidays, make sure you get a tax deduction by linking it to the pursuit of income. Number 5, let's not forget about gifts, right? You might want to give your clients gifts, you might want to give your employees gifts, but make sure you understand that you can only gift up to a $25 gift value or limit to be able to take that deduction. So if I want to gift, say, a family of 4 people, that gives me $100 to be able to gift to them because I can gift to that whole family $25 each. So make sure that when you are doing holiday gifts, that you're either doing gift certificates in $25 increments, or the value of your gift that you're trying to deduct is not more than $25. But if it's not going to be a gift and it's going to be a marketing thing, right? Maybe you're getting some jackets made that you're going to be giving out and you want your clients to wear it or your employees. Now we're not at a limit of $25 because that's branding, that's marketing. Gifts, $25, branding, marketing, unlimited, because we have the right to market our businesses, and you definitely should. Now that you know better, you absolutely have to do better. I can't wait to receive all the gifts that you guys are going to be sending me for Christmas, because that's going to be a tax write-off. In addition to liking, commenting, and subscribing, I am going to look forward to receiving those gifts.